Hey, welcome back to Fretworks. Surprised quick adjustment today. This is one of the guitar players, not my son-in-law, the other guitar player from Boat Action. He bought this not too long ago, and I did a whole setup and everything on it. And somehow they screwed around with the tremolo and the truss rod, so it was fretting out first and second fret. And they have practice in 2 hours. So they dropped it off and said, hey, please fix it. Beautiful guitar. Randy Rhoads. It's got Seymour Duncan blackouts in it. It's the reverse headstock. I love the truss cover. So I finally got it where it's working. So, but I just thought I'd throw a quick short up because I do love this. I love this guitar. I love the red inlays, reversed, but I'm a fan of reverse necks. So, and it's neck through. All right, I'll see you guys tonight.